I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Buckle up, foreigners, because in today's episode, I will take you through the roller coaster ride called a Filipino relationship. I call it I Betcha by Golly Wow because the charm, the sweetness, the beauty, the magnetic pole, it's all there. However, right behind the smile, right behind that soft touch, comes the other side drama, expectation, complications, and yes, trouble. That's what we are unpacking today. First, let's acknowledge the obvious. Filipinas are charming and undeniably so. The warmth in their smile, the playful laughter, the ability to make a foreigner feel like a king. It's not an exaggeration. They carry a femininity that's rare in the West. Many foreigners say, wow, she's so caring, so respectful, so attentive, and they're right. But it's not just looks. Filipinas know how to engage. They will sit with you, listen, make you feel like you matter. They'll cook for you, introduce you to family, and shower you with affection. That charm is what hook you in, and before you know it, you're thinking about her 24/7. The reality check is that charm is just one side of the coin. Trouble begins when expectations kick in. The Filipino lifestyle often revolves around family obligations. So don't be surprised if money requests start slipping into conversations. It might be small help at first, an electric bell, school fees for a sibling, but it grows. Then there's the drama. Filipinas can be passionate, but passion often flips into jealousy. A foreigner who thinks he can scroll social media freely is in for a rude awakening. A like on another woman's photo could spark a 2-hour fight. Let's not forget social media. Filipinas live online posting, scrolling, checking stories. And when your private relationship spills onto Facebook, the trouble magnifies. What should stay between two people suddenly involves cousins, friends, neighbors, and yes, even strangers. The paradox is that the very same Filipina who gives you a headache will also melt your heart the next day. She will pout, cry, then hug you and say, sorry po. She will cook your favorite meal after a fight or surprise you with a handwriting note. That's the pose and pull you can't resist her even when you're frustrated. It's like this. One day you are on cloud nine, telling your friends that this Filipina is amazing. I hit the jackpot. The next day you're muttering under your breath. Why am I dealing with this nonsense? It's love, Filipino style. What can foreigners learn from this dance of charm and trouble? 1. Set boundaries early. Be clear about finances, drama, and respect. 2. Don't be naive. Her charm is genuine, but her troubles are just as real. 3. Appreciate culture. Understand that family ties, social appearances, and emotions run deep in the Philippines. 4. Stay balanced. Don't give into every demand, but don't strip away her charm. Either that's what makes her unique. The Bicha by Golly Wow, Filipinas are charming beyond belief, but troublesome too. It's not a fairy tale, it's not a nightmare, it's both. And maybe, just maybe, that's why so many foreigners stay hooked. Because trouble, when it comes wrapped in charm, it doesn't feel like trouble at all until it's too late. So ask yourself, are you ready for the ride? Only you know your limitations and can answer the question. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.